Hey guys, today I'm taking you to a newborn photo shoot to take you on to this 3 hours newborn session to see my full workflow. So this baby is about 2 weeks old. He's normally our newborn's age. We shoot babies under 2 weeks in order to get the best photos out that window. Baby needs to be asleep. At this period, things could be very unpredictable. Baby could be fuzzy, could be very cooperative. We never know until the baby finally arrives and gets through the session. So every baby is a blind box to us. First thing first, I was hoping to wrap this baby up because he was asleep. But now he didn't let me. We opened up the swaddle or the clothes. He decided to wake up, which is very normal. So our workflow changed a bit due to the situation changes and due to the baby's mood has changed.
Yeah.
You can see right here, I was struggling to wrap him up because he was trying to fight back. And his mouth was turning left and right. It makes me feel that he's hungry. So I was asking if we could feed the baby a bit so we can get him a bit settled down and see how it goes.
要不给他喂点，我看他嘴巴在找奶。
Whilst Mum was preparing the milk, I was trying to settle him down. After feed, baby is nice and asleep.
Especially after feed. Very risky.
Gotta be very efficient.
I can't guarantee that.
So we are trying to get the family pictures out of the way.
Right height.
Yeah.
Dad is a Korean, so we are speaking English to him. I was putting the baby onto baby's dad first.
Swap your hands so the other hand to support your back. Mommy, if you want to come over.
Start the posing from the dad. I pose baby with dad differently to Mom.
Would you be able to bring him up to the slightly?
So with the dad, depending on the baby's situation, here he is sleeping very soundly. So I put baby onto the chest first. Getting a connection is vital for family photos. Connection means like in pictures, people have to be touching each other. Ideally, 3 of their faces need to be touching.
Okay, smile. Keep your eyes open. Don't blink yet. Keep your eyes on me. Beautiful.
However, I don't want to stress out too much at first.
Yeah, very well. Sorry.
Little water bottle.
We can always perfect the pose as we go along.
You guys can hit your forehead.
Once I've got some safe shots, I'm perfecting the mom and dad and the baby's positions a little bit.
Yeah, Mom, keep your eyes closed. Beautiful. Let me bring up baby's heads. Nice. Now kiss each other on the lips. Beautiful.
Did I blink?
No,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we got it.
Sweet.
Now let's swap for Mom.
Okay.
Now it's mom's turn. I like mom holding the baby naked and put her hands up close to her face, crisscrossed. This position allows mom to have her face next to the baby's face really closely. Get her to look down, close her eyes, look up. Now pose the baby's dad next to mom to get another variation of the family photos.
Mom, chin up, your eyes closed.
Remember always to get baby's mom and dad to chin up. We don't want them to bury their chins.
Dad, your face forward. To here, yeah. Chin up. Beautiful. Relax your eyes a little bit, Mom. Yeah.
Be very mindful that mom hold on to baby for such a long period of time. Her arms may get sore. So to make the workflow relatively quickly.
Okay, now eyes down, baby. Look at baby. Yep. Dad, if you want to drop your hand to here, that's it. And we'll move on to grandparents.
Okay, now because the baby's grandparents are here, they also want to be included in the pictures. So I get to show the grandparents and the baby.
好，低头看着宝宝。
Pose grandparents with the baby different to the parents
露
pose.
牙齿笑，刚刚笑得很好，哎，对，很好，哎，宝宝也在笑，哎，这个非常好，好可爱，宝宝都开心。
After the grandparents shoot, we are posing grandparents with mom because they are obviously a direct
好，下
family.
一个啊，开心 ，smile。Very good, nice. Okay, Dad, you're right. Just go behind everybody. Wrap your arms around.
And then adding dad on top of each other. This gives a full family
Come forward a
photos.
bit more. Is it possible?
Only the top part comes out.
Yeah, just your face. Eyes on my camera. Dad, your chin down, just so you are touching everybody's face if possible. Bring your chin
Dynamic
forward a bit
in
more.
the
Come on,
family
show
photo
off.
portrait is always a nice and artistic composition. Having their face next to each other, close the gap, having on top of each other, that kind of variation creates an intimacy and connection in your pictures.
Thank you.
I need one more picture, just Dad with the baby.
And again, dad with the baby as a solo photo. See how calm the baby is in baby's dad's hands.
It's smiling. Now eyes down.
Now you may surprise. Moving on, I was hoping to get some wrapped photo first, but we failed because the baby was unsettled. Now it's time for his solo pictures. So I think it's a good time to wrap him up as he's nicely asleep. Wrapping is another technique. In here, I'm not going to go to too much details. All the students from my workshops, this is a topic that I usually teach in my in-person workshops. Mom specifically requested this setup and the wrap, so I'm just doing what is requested. I get the baby hold on to a little heart, which is also requested by the mom. Moving on to the second setup, again, it's another one requested by the parents. They want some backlit lighting pictures. My assistant Jenny was trying to get rid of the fluff on the blanket. Unwrap would usually cause the baby to be unsettled, which is to be accepted, so I get the mom to see the baby a bit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We just go with the flow. Here, lucky for us, the baby settles down after a bit feed. I got to do the backlit photos because we have another setup requested. I was wrapping up the baby. Now here whilst trying to pose him. Again, unwrap would cause the baby being unsettled. Now you just gotta be patient and try to settle the baby on the table, on spot, rather than change hands, because that would mess up your setup or mess up baby's mood again, and it would make the session too long. In here, the milk doesn't work anymore. At least for the time being, the baby is unsettled and didn't want to take the milk. Sometimes they are too stressed to take milk. Doesn't mean that they don't want to. It's just because in between photos they didn't like being wrapped and unwrapped and being fiddled. Doesn't mean that the milk doesn't work. So see here, after the feed, the baby settled down and goes back to sleep. Perfecting the pose by revealing his hand slowly, gently after you've done your safe shots. Every movement could trigger the baby to be unsettled. Then your pictures could be out of the window again. So just make sure your movement is gentle and you've got your safe shots. Now here, because the baby's head is tilted into the shadow, I wanted to get him tilted towards the light a bit. So this is an ideal position. The next setup is again requested by the parents. They love a clean background with the baby lying on his back. And they requested this froggy. The froggy pose is our most requested pose. Take some patience and time. If we get lucky, this baby is a lucky baby. I only took 5 minutes and then the baby's into the pose with no struggles. If you want to learn the froggy pose, you need to come to my workshop. In-person workshop is where I teach the specific details and how exactly to pose in order to achieve this perfect little cute froggy pose. Again, mom and dad, please do not try this pose at home because you don't know what you're looking at and how to make it work. Leave this to the professionals. It's a composite pose. I need to hold the baby's hand and the head. Then I'm gonna swap my hands to my assistant so I can grab my camera and compose in final production. The final setup is this basket setup. Here in the basket, I was just posing the baby down into the basket that I prepared before with the same outfit from the last setup. So all the workflow, you got to plan ahead and try to work out which is the best way in order to minimize the disturbance to the baby. This is a natural light setup next to my window. Baby is nicely asleep. Okay, here's all the pictures that are being picked by the parents.
Got all these pictures. Grandparents.
They love family photos.
Family.
Obviously, most of the parents will pick more family pictures than the solo photos. Again, we have a good amount. and good amount of variation for their galleries.
Froggy. I'll share some behind the scenes soon, and also in my membership I'll teach you how to do the wrapping.
Comment below which setup is your favorite. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like any baby photography content, please subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you again in the next one.